I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings quickly. Press Windows key plus I. Once done, navigate to Update and Security, then Troubleshoot and click Additional Troubleshooters so you see all options. Pick the troubleshooter that matches your problem, for example network or audio, because choosing the right tool saves time and targets specific services. Make sure Windows is updated before running complex fixes. This reduces false positives and ensures the troubleshooting routines match your system build. You now run the selected troubleshooter by clicking Run the Troubleshooter and following on-screen prompts. Allow diagnostic access so it can inspect system components. If offered, accept recommended fixes because automated repairs handle common permission or driver issues safely. While it runs, monitor progress messages and note any error codes or service names it flags. That information helps you research persistent faults. If drivers are implicated, make sure to update them after the troubleshooter completes so you finish by restarting your computer to apply repairs and immediately retest the issue. Many fixes only take effect after a reboot. If the problem persists, use the noted error codes in Event Viewer or search for the specific service name to get targeted steps. As a fallback, consider System Restore to a known working point or manually reinstall the device driver. These steps undo risky automatic changes and often resolve stubborn faults when the troubleshooter can't complete the repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.